Here's what's new in catalog for Playdate for August 2023.
To Dust is a linear story and the second interactive sci-fi adventure comic set in the world of the botanist. In this volume, the botanist searches the spirit world for answers to the disappearance of a fellow scientist. Smolitaire is, you guessed it, a collection of 3 solitaire games with original graphics and fonts built exclusively for Playdate. Choose from Klondike, Spiderette, and Yukon, and the best part? Tidy up the board by using the crank to move cards into their top piles. Factory Farming is an automation and logistics game themed around intensive agricultural practices. Build up an expansive industrial complex by growing, harvesting, refining, and manufacturing a wide variety of highly processed products, and sell it all for massive profit. Welcome to the Crank Gym, a place to work those arms out until you're a lean, mean, cranking machine. Sprint on the treadmill, test your endurance on the rowing machine, or lift weights until you drop, all in the name of high score chasing. In Ribbit Rabbit, you help Ribby, the rabbit frog, hop and jump his way through 50 levels of puzzling fun. From leaping on lily pads in the slimy swamp to surfing around Buzzy Beach, the adventure never stops. But watch out, as there might be sharks lurking in the depths.
Soko is a teeny Sokoban for Playdate, packed with over 400 puzzles and the ability to import your own levels. With 7 sets of levels out of the box, Soko provides a range of difficulty from absolute beginner to expert box pusher. Soko features 7 unlockable characters plus 1 catalog-exclusive bonus hero. Solve puzzles to collect them all. Crank Tanks is a classic artillery game of lobbing powerful weapons at distant tanks, featuring scrolling destructible terrain with falling dirt, a wide variety of ridiculously powerful weapons, a score-chasing survival mode, custom games, hot seat multiplayer, bots, and even flying tanks. Crash Mole turns the classic game of whack-a-mole into a retro-style arcade game for Playdate. As a curious mole, dodge attacks from falling hammers using the crank to climb up and down tunnels. Extend the timer and increase your score by popping up from underground. Playdice gives you 4 of the most popular dice games in one slick package, including Greed, Yacht, Push It, and Solitaire Dice. Play solo or pass your Playdate around and play with friends. Playdice also includes free dice, where you can roll up to 6 dice with no rules. Welcome to the Tartine Show. In a world made of bread, you're the toast of the town. Jump out of your toaster and amaze your audience with flips, flops, and flaps. But mind the landing or you'll be breadcrumbs.